Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Madiya Shahid. In this lecture, I will discuss zeroth law of thermodynamics. Zeroth is scientist and discovered law of thermodynamics. So first of all, understand what is thermodynamic equilibrium. When the temperature of bodies are same, this is called thermodynamic equilibrium. For example, we have body A and its temperature is 100 degree centigrade, and a body C which has 0 degree centigrade temperature. If both bodies are thermal contact, means both bodies transfer heat to each other, then after some time temperature of both bodies are same, which is 50 degree centigrade, and we have a body B, its temperature is 200 degree centigrade. And also body B is in thermal contact with body C, and after some time body B and body C temperature of both bodies are same, which is 100 degree centigrade. Then body A and body B also in equilibrium with each other, means body A and body B have same temperature. This is the zeroth law of thermodynamics. And he explained definition of temperature, which is if two bodies are in equilibrium, then their temperature will be same.